How to keep your friends close and your enemies even closer. That's next in our Brew Culture Moment. According to some new archaeological research, beer created with hallucinogenic seeds may have helped the rulers of a pre-Incan empire in South America maintain their power for about 400 years. Sometime between 600 and 1000 AD, the Wari Empire, which lived in the highlands of modern-day Peru, likely maintained their rule thanks to political alliances formed by imbibing a hallucinogenic beverage. Tiwanaku, their rivals, may have lived in peace with them due to fear of either mutual destruction, or perhaps it was just the beer. The beer-like beverage was created with psychotropic seeds called vilca. The beer was likely a mainstay at intimate feasts that helped create and foster social relationships while bolstering the Wari Empire. In absence of beer, vilca is still used today and produces an out-of-body experience, but can also lead to blackouts and vomiting. Not too interested in that experience. When it was added to beer during the Wari Empire, the effects were more subdued and the effects were longer lasting. So the infused beer carried a high that lasted much longer. The thought is that the drink promoted a sense of community. So keep your friends close and your enemies closer may have been more of keep your friends close and keep your enemies stoned. And that's our Beer Culture Moment. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.